Hello! So if you've read the title, you already know what we're doing today. If you have no idea what this is, then there are two videos where I wrote songs in 15 minutes. They'll be in the description. I recommend you check them out first so that you have an idea of what's going on here. Otherwise, I thought that I'd just give myself 30 minutes instead of 15 minutes to see what I can come up with. Same rules apply, 5 random words, use them in order, and make a song. I feel like it's going to be less stressful, but we'll see. It'll probably be the same amount of stress, just drawn out over a longer period of time. And now I'm just going to get my random 5 words and start on the song. Okay, so I've gone to randomwordgenerator.com. I'm going to set my number of words to be 5 words. And yeah, let's just do it. My words are edge, long, steam, dawn, and sailor. Okay, very nice. I'm going to set my timer now. 30 minutes, start. And we're off to a good start. I'm using an electric guitar today because, you know, I thought I'd just change it up, do something different for each one of these things. My capo's here because it just sounds good on this guitar. There's no reason really. Edge, long, steam, dawn, sailor. Dawn and sailor. I like that. Reminds me of the ocean, and you know I love the ocean. Gotta think of some chords. Okay, that will be a part of it. B minor, E, F sharp, okay. But I don't want that to be the start. Oh yeah, I like this chord. Okay, yep, okay. I didn't play that very well just then, but that's what we're gonna go with. And we're just going to record it, and I'm thinking I'm going to utilize a lot of loops today just because I feel like that's going to work. But let's try it. What tempo am I at? 78 beats per minute. Okay. Cool. Okay, we're gonna take that, and that's the start of the song, and then we need to make something. I don't know what I'm saying. We need to do the chorus, which was... What was the chorus? What was the chorus? I need to remember it. Okay, no time to jam. Gotta get into it. Sorry, I dabbed. I don't know why I did that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now we have our sections. And now we get to make up some words. I feel like that's important. So, what are our words? They are... edge, long, steam, dawn, sailor. Edge, long, steam, dawn, sailor. And I'm going to use notes in my phone to write down words. Oh, that's not the chords. Okay. Down. Oh. Sometimes I go down to the edge of my country. I'm kind of cheating because I wrote about sitting on the edge of my country, like referring to going to the beach. So that just reminded me of that. This is going to be an ocean song. Should I not do that? Nah, I'll do it anyway. After a long, long day, all my troubles fade away. All our worries fade away. Like the steam after the storm. No. Oh, sorry, there's birds outside that are screaming. It's just that time of day. Bird scream o'clock. After a long, long day, all our worries fade away, and the steam rises. Sure. La da 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 da. Ba 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 ba. Ba da ba 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 ba. What's that song? I can't remember. Doesn't matter. Dawn and sailor are the last two words that I have to use. Dawn. 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 How much time do I have? 20 minutes. Okay. What are my words? I forgot what I'm doing. Just let the sun rise. Just let the... I don't know what words are. Yeah, I like that. Sun comes rising at dawn, and if you wanna be carried away like a sailor, la la la. Dawn and sailor, dawn and sailor. Why care? Come here, let yourself just feel another day. Come here and let yourself just feel another day. As the dawn breaks the silence, we could say away. No, you can't say sail. Okay, I have 17 minutes left. Come here, just feel another day. As dawn comes once again. And if you feel okay, then I guess we'll stay. Then I guess we'll stay. Out here, you're my sailor. Something about water. And if you feel the waves, feel okay, drifting through these waves, I'll be your sailor. Right. I actually have time to like rehearse this part. Okay. Okay, well, we're gonna put that away. And I'm gonna record with this microphone that I prepared earlier. Okay. There's a bug in here. Sometimes I go to the edge of my country. Okay, that was a good take. And we're gonna do another take. I have so much time to do takes. Actually, how much time do I have? Doesn't matter. I've got to record. Okay. I'm going to record some back harmonies. That's the word. That's what I'm looking for. Mainly on the chorus when it goes, come here. I just had that idea when I was doing that. So how does it go? Come here. How much time do I have actually? 8 minutes. Okay. Come here. Come here. Okay, that's what we're doing. Come here. Cool, next one. Come here. Waves, 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 waves. It's gotta be good enough. That's all we have time for. Okay, now it's time for something. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna add some more guitar so that it sounds like I've done more in 30 minutes because I haven't done a lot. I know that this isn't like a full song. I know that it's just like a verse and a chorus, but you know, half an hour is really not a lot of time to like make a song. And I only have 6 minutes left. Okay. I kind of want to add like a voice part at the end. Okay, we're just fucking gonna do it. Probably don't have time for this. If if you feel okay through these waves. Okay, now we need to quickly add a bass guitar. I'm running out of time, seriously. We like the Liverpool bass, so we're gonna add that in there because it's ace. Whoopsies. Okay, quickly. We only have a minute and a half left. Okay. Oh no. Wow, okay, that's really not working. Maybe we should just add a piano. I'm gonna run out of time. Okay, yep, you will do. Nope. I feel like I didn't do as much as I would in 15 minutes. Anyway, this song is called Dude, Just Chill Out. And I hope you enjoy it. Lots of love, me.
Sometimes I go to the edge of my country after a long, long day. All our worries fade away and the steam just rises. Come here and just feel another day as the dawn comes once again. And if you feel okay drifting through these waves, I'll be your sailor. La da da. Ooh, ooh, yeah.
You know, that was far less stressful because, you know, I got a guitar part, I got some vocals, I didn't get anything else, but that's fine. And I don't mind the lyrics. They're not funny, which is an achievement because I feel like the last two I just messed up and made them funny. But yeah, I really like those. So that was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm sorry if I was just looking over here the whole time, but that's where my computer is. Everything I use will be in the description if you're interested in checking that out. Otherwise, I will see you next time when we do something else. La. Who's texting me? Yep, okay.